Welcome to 552 Guerrero. This is a half building, middle level, 5 to 6 bedroom apartment available for lease. There's an interior staircase that leads up to a landing and a hallway that pretty much connects all the rooms. There's some great period details, including this stained glass window, the banister, lots of woodwork around, the wall paneling. So we'll go through the apartment. To the right here is the first full bath, and there are 2 full baths and a couple half baths, quarter baths. This one's been remodeled. It's got natural stone tile surrounding the tub and the walls. Nice vanity. Straight ahead is bedroom number 1. And number 1 has a bay window that looks down on Guerrero Street. It's a super central location. Right there is 18th Street with the by right. Leads right into Dolores Park. There's a little extra storage up there. Hardwood floors throughout. The next room, I call the living room, but you could also use it as a bedroom, and that would be how you get the 6. As a 6, you don't have any living room. So the living room has a decorative fireplace with some fancy tile, the original mirrored mantle, another curved bay window looking out onto Dolores Street. There's high ceilings with some coves. Back in the hall, you can get to the second bedroom, calling the living room a living room. And it also has a bay window. Nice light. It's a big room, and it has a closet. Good size. And the next room opens up to a Jack and Jill sink. So a little quarter bath here. You would close this door. Onward, go into another section, and there's an original door with a smoked glass window that you can close off, so it gives you some extra privacy and different ways to use it. And there's a big closet. I know you can't see, but it's a large stair closet. The next bedroom, which also opens to the little bath sink area, has a corner closet. Nice amount of space. There's a half bath of sorts here. It's all tiled and been remodeled. And then the second full bath, also remodeled, has the same natural stone tile, sliding shower door, newer vanity. Bedroom number 4 is the original formal dining room, and it has all sorts of details. That box beam ceiling. It's paneled on all the walls. And then it has this great built-in hutch. It has china cabinets, drawers, and another decorative fireplace. You get a bay window surrounded by this historic type woodwork. This looks out onto a whole side street here. Great room. You could use this as the living room too, and use the other one as a bedroom if you want. Onward, there's a back door. There's a trash chute here, and down the steps you get to a laundry. We have the 5th bedroom, which is small but not too small. High ceilings. It's got a window, a verdant view of Dorland Street. There's some new wood floors in here. High ceilings. And then the kitchen has tiled floors, and it features a side-by-side bottom drawer stainless Whirlpool refrigerator, a reddish granite countertop, gas range with hood, dishwasher, full sink, and a greenhouse window. And you get a lot of cabinets. Up, down, all around. There's some recessed lighting here in the kitchen. And you have enough space for a little bar table eating area. One more look at the central hallway that goes to everything. And that is 552 Guerrero. If you're interested, visit billharkins.com or call 415-305-5311. Have a great day.